Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn new topic number 18, and topic name is simple and complex to compound sentences. Okay, that means these are the types of sentences: simple, complex, and compounds. Today we are going to learn what is meant by the simple sentence, what is meant by the complex sentence, and what is meant by the compound sentence. First, look here: simple sentence. Okay, we want to learn the definition of simple sentence in simple words. Look here: a sentence which have one subject and one verb or predicate is called simple sentence. Simple sentence means what? A sentence which have one subject. Simple sentence, that means which have one subject. We know that subject means action, doer or performer. Okay, and one verb. One verb. It is very necessary to have a verb to complete the meaning. Okay, and or a predicate. Predicate, we know that the verb plus extra words, that is called predicate. Okay, is called simple sentence. For example, Rajesh writes a letter. Okay, in this example, look here: Rajesh is a subject, writes is a verb, and a letter is an object. Okay, if we consider writes a letter, it is called predicate. Okay, this verb plus object is called predicate. Okay, and one word. Our definition is related with one subject plus one verb. It is very necessary to have a simple sentence. साधं वाक्य असण्यासाठी एक कर्ता आणि एक क्रियापद असणं गरजेचं असतं. आणि क्रियापद आणि प्लस इतर शब्द जे असतील, पूरक शब्द असतील, त्यांना आपण काय म्हणतो? प्रिडिकेट असं म्हणतो. पूरक अर्थ पूरक शब्द असे म्हणतो. ठीक आहे. नाउ इट इज कॉल्ड सिंपल सेंटेन्स. इट इज कॉल्ड सिंपल सेंटेन्स. ओके, आय होप यू अंडरस्टूड betterly. Okay, now the second definition: compound sentence. What is meant by the compound sentence? A sentence that has at least two independent clauses. Okay, a sentence that has at least, okay, a sentence that has at least two independent clauses. We know that what is meant by the clauses. Okay, independent, it is most important point. Or two independent clauses joined by a comma, semicolon or conjunctions is called compound sentence. Is called compound sentence. Are you getting my point? Okay, what is meant by the compound sentence? Two independent clauses, दोन स्वतंत्र वाक्य, okay, that joined by a comma ने जोडलेले असतात. Otherwise it joined with semicolon, or otherwise it joins with conjunctions. That is called compound sentence. दोन स्वतंत्र वाक्य जे कॉमाने किंवा सेमिकोलनने किंवा कंजंक्शनने जोडलेले असतात, स्वतंत्र वाक्य, त्यांना आपण काय म्हणतो? कंपाऊंड सेंटेन्स असं म्हणतो. संयुक्त वाक्य मराठी. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल, लुक हियर: I like coffee. It is one simple sentence. Now the second one: Manoj like tea. These are two simple sentences. Okay, that means two independent clauses. We can consider as a clause. Okay, remember this. When we join these two sentences or two independent clauses into one with the help of comma, with the help of semicolon, or with the help of conjunction to make a one sentence, that is called compound sentence. For example, look here, the same example: I like coffee and Manoj like tea. I like coffee and Manoj like tea. We add here conjunction to join two independent clauses or two independent sentences. That is called compound sentence. दोन वाक्य कंजंक्शन ने किंवा कॉमाने किंवा अल्पविराम किंवा स्वल्पविराम, ठीक आहे, ओके, यांनी जोडलेले असतात, त्यांना आपण काय म्हणतो? कंपाऊंड सेंटेन्स. अँड नाउ द सेकंड एक्झाम्पल: वी बाय कार और बाइक. We use here or. Okay, these conjunctions. I hope you understand betterly what is meant by the compound sentence. Okay, with the help of this definition you can easily understand. Okay, now the third definition, that is the complex sentence. What is meant by the complex sentence? Okay, students, look here. A sentence that contains an independent clause. Okay, contains means include. Okay, in contains means include, समाविष्ट असणे त्यामध्ये असलेले. Okay, an independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. That means it have one or more than one dependent clauses. One is or an independent clause, also one or more dependent clause is called complex sentence. Complex sentence means मिश्र वाक्य in मराठी. मिश्र वाक्य म्हणजे असं मिश्र वाक्य की ज्यामध्ये एक स्वतंत्र वाक्य असतं त्यासोबत दुसरे दोन उपवाक्य असतात, दोन किंवा अधिक, one or more than one dependent clauses is called complex sentence. It is the definition of complex sentence. For example, look here. Here is one example of complex sentence. Look here. She returned the television set. Remember this, okay? TV after she noticed it was damaged. In this example, she returned the TV. It is the main clause, independent clause. Okay? हे मुख्य वाक्य किंवा independent clause है. She returned the TV. Okay? And then we join the another part or another clause, dependent clause. After she noticed. Okay, after she noticed, it is one clause. Okay, then it was damaged. That means two dependent clauses is here. Okay, are you getting my point? One is independent. Okay, one is independent. Then this one is dependent clause that depend upon this main clause. Remember this. या मुख्य वाक्यावर आधारित असलेला हा दुसरा भाग असतो त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो independent clause, and it is also okay two dependent clause म्हणजे dependent म्हणजे याच्यावर आधारित असलेला. It is called complex sentence आणि यालाच आपण काय म्हणतो complex मिश्र वाक्य असे म्हणतो. For another example, whenever price goes up, comma, customers buy less products. Whenever price goes up, customers buy less products. It is the example of complex sentence. Now the next example, as she was bright and ambitious, comma, she became a manager in no time. This sentence is called complex sentence. I hope you understand betterly what is meant by the simple sentence, what is meant by the compound sentence, and what is meant by the complex sentence. In next period we will see the remaining part of this lesson. Thank you.